I'm dying. You're dying. We're all dying. And I want to extend my life as long as possible. And so a big part of transformation for me is longevity. Our minds will manifest what we believe. What you believe about your health will be true about your health.
Where do you stand on this law of attraction versus change your subconscious and everything will flow?
All I know is when I visualize future outcomes, they tend to happen. If you believe you're going to be successful, your odds of becoming successful go up. If you believe you're going to find the love of your life, you are more confident when you go out on a date. You are more charismatic. If you believe that you're going to have a great relationship with your child, you will be taking better actions when you connect with your child. So it's all about the power of belief and faith.
How do you see AI affecting the world in the next, say, even 24 months?
We are going to come to a world where people will only have to work 10 to 20 hours a week, or not at all, because AI is going to make work so effortless. I believe in human nature. I believe if we work less, we're going to have more time for creativity, for deep connection, for spending with our kids, for exploring nature. All of us have gifts that we want to give to the world. Things are going to get faster and faster. If you're a creative person, it's going to be easier and easier to build a business and make money. What's going to be the competitive advantage is your mindset. And this is really why I'm building Mindvalley, for giving people the right mindset to survive in this new world.